guys, welcome to my channel. I am Prajakta and you're watching me on the Cauliflower Girl. So you might have guessed by now what would our today's video be about. So I'm going to color my hair into medium brown. I am expecting the color which is shown on the product. I'm using L'Oreal Paris Casting Cream Gloss Conditioning Color. You can also try the color virtually on Amazon and Nykaa. You can simply upload your photo or you can select the default photos of your skin shade. So I've selected my photo as well and I've checked the medium brown color. It does not show much difference, but yeah, it becomes light. So they also give the steps on how to color your hair. They provide colorant developer, gloss and the shine mask. So this is how it is shown that medium brown color would look. As you can see, I have a lot of grays and dark black hair. I'm trying to make it at least a brownish shade. So yeah, you have to damp your hair and don't forget to apply Vaseline on your scalp and behind your ears. So this is the L'Oreal Casting Cream Gloss medium brown color. Inside the box you will get an instruction leaflet, the colorant, the developer, the plastic gloves and the shine mask. You have to mix the colorant and developer into the bottle provided. And then you have to mix it well. It will allow the reaction to take place and the color starts developing. Before applying the color, I prefer to keep the bottle for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the color to develop properly. Cut the top of the nozzle with scissors so that the mixture can come out and simply apply it on your crown area. Make sure you cover all your grays and give priority to the areas which have grey hair a lot. Make sure you do not spill the mixture on your forehead. After putting enough amount of the mixture, you need to massage it well. Keep it applied for at least 25 to 30 minutes and then wash it with a mild shampoo. Apply the shine mask and keep it for at least 5 minutes. You can see this is the next day after the color. I do not see much difference in my hair color. However, the shine mask which was provided by them did wonders. You can see how my hair has become smooth and luscious. They are extremely shiny. I just loved it. The color has also covered all my grey hair and I am very happy. However, it did not give me the exact color I was expecting. Although I like the shine and everything, I wanted the color to look brown for a new look. Should I have kept it for more time? I don't think so, because it's a chemical and you do not keep it for long. One more thing guys, I did not blow dry my hair. These are naturally dried. Shine mask did wonders. It makes my hair look so good. So this is how the hair looks under the bright sun. It does not show much of a brownish shade. I have so many things to share with you guys on hair colors. Do comment if you want me to make another video. If you like my video, please click on the like button, share and subscribe. Bye bye.